So, I have made a beautiful surprise box, and this one has 4 layers with an added garden banner. And as you can see, I'm just showing little details about this little surprise box, and I hope you will like it. So this little message board here is where you can write your messages. And time to add the little cards. So I'm just putting them in the pockets. And you can also put pictures here, write anything you want, or just maybe insert money. Some of my customers do include money in my album, so sure, just whatever you want to do, you can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will support me by liking this video